start recording a lot of footage, like now when you have 18 files, plus the other footage that you've created, you're going to want to start organizing your folders. So how you will do that is you will go to Finder, and go to Google Drive, go to Share Drive, go to the 401 files, go to Digital Media, go to Footage, and then go into Student Folders. Again, it is so much easier if everybody's folder is closed and not open like this, because that is just such a pain. It's really annoying if you've noticed that, if other people are opening their folders. But anyway, keep it in list view, find your folder, go into Megan's here, and as you can see, Megan's already got a lot of files there. So what we're going to do is create a folder. So there's a couple ways of doing that on a Mac. I think the easiest way is have this window active by clicking on it, go up to File, New Folder, and then when you do that, you can name it B-roll. And then you can make other folders too, like just for A-roll, just for lower thirds graphics, and so on with whatever we end up making. Then what you would want to do is you would want to take your B-roll and just drag those clips right into it like that. Once you do that, you want to make sure that you are naming your B-roll appropriately. So let's say this was an action shot of somebody handling the tripod. You would right click, go to rename, and type in tripod handling 1 or something like that. However you want to do that does not matter to me, as long as you are keeping your folder nice and organized. So another way of creating a folder, I showed you by going up to File, New Folder. Another way would be to be off of like the selection, so that you can right click. So like maybe right here, right click on your trackpad or on your mouse, whatever you're using, do New Folder, and do it that way. Again, have a folder just for B-roll, a folder just for A-roll, and then just drag and drop your files right into that folder. Once they're in there, name them appropriately. This will help you stay organized and make your life so much easier as you start dropping things in here that you're working with. You can even make one for your lower thirds bars, like I said, or any graphics that you use. But for right now, we're focused on B-roll. You should have at least 18 B-roll shots in your B-roll folder in this path right here. While you're doing all this organization, also remember, make sure you are deleting your downloads. If you have random stuff in your downloads, like this stuff, just command delete to delete it. To preview it, just hit that space bar, and that space key along with your up and down arrows on your keyboard will allow you to quickly navigate through. So again, delete the bad things that you no longer need with command delete, and make sure that you are moving everything into Share Drive appropriately using that shortcut command N. From the downloads, drop it into the appropriate drive folder, which should be yours, and then organize that drive folder. So as simple as that, guys. Do that, make that a habit and routine, and you will appreciate that organization so much as you start to go in and do further editing.